Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning one of the most important verbs in English, the verb to be. Let's make it super easy and fun. The verb to be means to exist or to show what or who someone or something is. Example, I am a boy. Jane is happy. They are thirsty. He was at home yesterday. The girls were singing last night. The verb, to have. We use it all the time, to talk about things we own, our relationships, or experiences. Let's go. The verb to have means to own, possess, or hold something. It can also mean to experience or to eat, drink. Example, I have a pencil. I had noodles for lunch. The verb to have means to own, possess, or hold something. It can also mean to experience or to eat, drink. Examples, I have a car. Possession, she has a brother. Relationship, we have lunch at noon. Habit. Common uses. Possession, I have a new phone. He has a big family. Eating, drinking, we have breakfast at 8 a.m. She had coffee this morning. Experiences, they had a good time. I have an idea. Let's practice fill in the blank. Let's practice fill in the blank. Excellent job, everyone. You now know how to use am, is, are, was, were, have, has, and had. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and comment your own sentence using to have. See you in the next lesson.